Everybody's taking now haircuts and shaving. Part of doing so, you need to know some of the halachot. So the halachot of shaving are a little bit more complicated than the very short time that we have for this halacha, but at least we need to realize that one is not allowed to use something that has two things in it, two conditions. One is that it's mashchit, which means it cuts completely the entire hair of the beard. And secondly, that it's derech giluach. Derech giluach, because there's two psukim in the Torah. One is lo tashchit pe'atz kanecha, and one is the isur of being megaleach. So again, what's the two conditions? One condition is that it completely cuts off the hair, leaves nothing. And secondly, that it's done in a normal way. So if one takes, for instance, scissors and cuts his beard, that's fine. Why? Although it's normal to use scissors to cut the beard, but something is always left. If you touch, you'll feel that there's some hair that's left. And if you use something that completely cuts off the entire hair, like for instance a tweezer, you use that to cut everything, or cream to cut everything, that is permitted, not because, again, it does have one condition, that it cuts everything completely, but it leaves, it's not done in a normal way. That's not the normal way of shaving. Now, it's important to note that part of the Isur, there's different Rishonim that say where is the Peot HaZakan. So the Shulchan Aruch says to be machmir, like all opinion, and not to use anywhere. What's included? The Rama brings down also that one should not use the blade, the knife on the over here, on the throat as well, in the garon, under the chin. That's also, according to Rabbeinu Hananel, that's part of the Peot HaZakan. And also Rabbeinu Hananel says that the mustache as well is part of the Peot HaZakan, so therefore one should be machmir with that as well. Thank you.